All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We're going to keep this prop firm series going. I'm not sure which episode this is going to be. I just filmed a couple, but today we're going to be going over TopOne futures. I'm going to be going through the elite daily accounts. I just partnered with TopOne, so if you want to use code LukeX, you can get the best discount available. And I'm going to run through these accounts because these accounts are great. I'm going to show you guys on prop firm match because this might be a firm that you guys maybe aren't as familiar with. But if you go on prop firm match, you can see their 4.7 stars. You can see everything else about them on here. So if you guys never checked out prop firm match, you could pretty much just look through all of the top prop firms in the industry. You can kind of see the ratings, just a bunch of stuff like that. You can see Tradeify up here, My Fun of Futures, like all this stuff like that. So if you guys want to go on here, make sure you guys check that out and you can look through everything. So today I wanted to go through these elite daily accounts. These are newly launched accounts. I believe they just came out a couple weeks ago. So these accounts are great. I'm going to run through them really quick. With code LukeX, I'm pretty sure for your first purchase you get 60% off. But if not, if you use my code, you still get 50% off. So it would be 109 for the 50Ks, which is like the same as Top Step. And there's no activation fee, by the way. Or if it's 60%, I don't know, I have to do the math, but I think it could be like just under $100. But anyway, these are the accounts I want to go over. I kind of just want to break down the rules for you guys really quick. And these are great accounts. Like I was super drawn to these accounts. I'm going to start trading them this week coming up after I finish with some other accounts I'm working on. And yeah, gonna break them down really quick. Obviously, I usually just stick with the 50Ks in pretty much everything, or the 150s, but you can see these don't have 150s. You either have the 25s, the 50s, or the 100s. So I'm gonna go through the 50Ks for you guys really quick. And basically, let's go step by step here, okay? So profit target, 3K profit target, but you can get daily payouts, which is something that you don't see with a lot of other prop firms. One of the only other prop firms that has it is like Take Profit Trader, and I believe they're like intraday trailing drawdown, which is stupid. So these are end of day drawdowns. So this is great. Daily payouts, 50K, 3K profit target. There's no daily loss limit, which is a huge like a huge selling point for a lot of people. A lot of people hate accounts with daily loss limits. So yeah, no daily loss limit. Daily payouts, $2,000 trailing max drawdown, which is pretty much the same as every other eval. End of day drawdown. You can trade up to 3 minis. But it does take 3 days to pass. So it is a 45% consistency on the challenge, which really isn't that big of a deal. You pretty much get scraped two big days and then just hit like a small winner. I'm not sure why they do 45%, but it is what it is. It's really not that big of a deal, especially if you are getting something extra like daily payouts. I mean, you just got to kind of deal with that. So here's the next big selling point. No consistency on funded. This is what I love. I love when there's accounts with no consistency on funded because I hate worrying about consistency rules on funded. There's nothing worse than knocking out for other firms where you knock out your winning days, your balance is good, but it's like, oh, you didn't meet the consistency, so you have to make more. They're just trying to set you up like for failure, right? So with these accounts, there's no consistency on funded. It's a $95 to reset the account. And obviously you do have the option to reset fee on funded, which I don't recommend. Obviously just buy a new account, but people, like a lot of prop firms offer this now. From there, there's obviously no activation fee and you can trade up to 5 accounts. So these accounts pretty much remind me just like the Top Step accounts. If you think about it, it's pretty much the same thing as Top Step, right? But just with daily payouts. So again, it's a 3K profit target, $2,000 max drawdown, end of day drawdown, daily payouts, no daily loss limit. Again, the only difference really here is the 3 days to pass with a 45% consistency on the challenge. But again, no consistency on funded, no activation fee, and you can trade 5 accounts. So it really just reminds me of the Top Step accounts. Obviously there are other accounts, but these are the ones I don't recommend instant funding for anyone really. But if you are interested in that, they do have more, but I'm just going through one plan at a time with this series. And those are the accounts I was drawn to. But again, another thing, guys, if you guys go to, like I said, you go to prop firm match, you can go check everything out for yourself. You can go to not just TopOne, you can go to all of the prop firms and you can kind of see what's up with them. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to knock this quick video out. If you guys are interested in grabbing an account with these guys and you want to try it out and you're interested in daily payouts, this is a different option for you guys because you don't see accounts with daily payouts a lot. So yeah, that code's still valid. I am doing a giveaway on the elite. I'm not going to go through them right now. There is an activation fee on those ones. I don't know if I'll drop this before it's out or not, but it's in the Discord, the giveaway. It might be done by the time this video is over because I already just did a video talking about it, but Anyway, that's it for me, guys. Want to knock this quick video out. I'm just going through every single prop firm challenges and the different accounts and just the stuff that I recommend personally, or the ones I don't like, the ones I like. And this was the Elite Daily account. So that's it for me, guys. We'll be back at it with another video whenever. We'll see which one we do next, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.